Did you know that even mild dehydration can sap your energy and leave you feeling sluggish, especially during the sweltering summer months? It's true. Losing just a small percentage of your body's water can have a noticeable impact on how you feel, making you tired, unfocused, and less able to enjoy all the fun activities that summer has to offer. As the sun blazes and temperatures soar, staying hydrated becomes more than just a health tip. It's essential for keeping your body cool, your mind sharp, and your spirits high. But here's the good news. Hydration doesn't have to come from your water bottle alone. In fact, nature has provided us with a delicious array of fruits that are packed with water, ready to help keep you refreshed, energized, and cool all summer long. Hydrating fruits not only help replenish the fluids you lose through sweat, but they also provide a burst of natural sweetness and a bounty of nutrients that support your overall health. With every juicy bite, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're also giving your body the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it craves. When the mercury rises, it's easy to underestimate how much water your body needs. Many people find it challenging to drink enough throughout the day, especially if they're busy or not in the habit of sipping water regularly. This is where hydrating fruits come to the rescue. By making smart food choices, like adding water-rich fruits to your meals and snacks, you can boost your hydration effortlessly, all while enjoying flavors that celebrate the best of summer. Let's dive into some of the most hydrating fruits and explore how they can help you stay cool and refreshed, even on the hottest days. First up is watermelon, the poster child for summer hydration. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. Each juicy slice is bursting with flavor and loaded with nutrients like vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from sun damage. The high water content in watermelon not only helps keep you hydrated, but also gives you a feeling of fullness, making it a great choice for a satisfying snack. Next, there's cucumber, often mistaken for a vegetable, but technically a fruit. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making them one of the top contenders for hydration. They're crisp, refreshing, and incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or simply enjoy them sliced with a sprinkle of salt and lemon juice. In addition to their hydrating powers, cucumbers are a good source of vitamin K, which supports bone health, and they contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Strawberries also deserve a place on our list of hydrating heroes. With a water content of around 91%, strawberries are not only delicious, but also incredibly effective at keeping you cool. They're rich in vitamin C, manganese, and a variety of antioxidants that support heart health and protect your skin from the effects of sun exposure. Strawberries are perfect for snacking, tossing into yogurt or oatmeal, or blending into a refreshing smoothie. Oranges are another fantastic summer fruit, offering about 87% water per juicy segment. Beyond hydration, oranges provide a hefty dose of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all of which contribute to overall wellness. The natural sugars in oranges offer a gentle energy boost, while their electrolytes help replace what you lose through sweat. Whether you peel and eat them whole or squeeze them into a cold glass of juice, oranges are a classic choice for summer refreshment. Don't forget about cantaloupe, a melon that's often overshadowed by its cousin, watermelon, but is equally impressive. Cantaloupe is composed of roughly 90% water and is packed with vitamin A, which promotes healthy skin and vision. Its sweet orange flesh is perfect for breakfast bowls, fruit salads, or a quick snack on the go. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. The top 3 hydrating fruits that are not only delicious, but also essential for keeping you cool when the heat is on. First, watermelon takes the crown as the ultimate summer fruit. Its high water content, combined with its refreshing sweetness and nutrient density, makes it a must-have for hot days. Whether you're having a picnic, lounging by the pool, or just looking for a quick way to cool down, watermelon delivers on every front. Second on the list is cucumber, whose crisp texture and subtle flavor make it incredibly versatile. Cucumbers are perfect for hydration and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Add them to water for an extra refreshing drink. pair them with hummus for a crunchy snack, or toss them into a salad for a hydrating boost. Their impressive water content and health benefits make them essential for staying cool and nourished. Rounding out our top 3 is the humble strawberry. These vibrant berries offer a sweet, tangy flavor that's hard to resist, and their high water content makes them perfect for hot weather. Strawberries are not only hydrating, but also packed with nutrients that support your health from the inside out. Whether you eat them fresh, add them to a fruit salad, or blend them into a smoothie, strawberries are a summer staple you won't want to miss. Including these hydrating fruits in your summer diet is one of the simplest and most delicious ways to stay cool, refreshed, and energized. Not only do they help you meet your daily fluid needs, but they also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall well-being. By reaching for watermelon, cucumber, and strawberries, you're making a smart choice that your body will thank you for all season long. So as the temperatures rise and the days grow longer, remember to enjoy the bounty of hydrating fruits that summer has to offer. They're nature's way of helping you beat the heat, stay nourished, and make the most of every sunny day. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas for staying healthy and refreshed, don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and enjoy the vibrant flavors of summer.